Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ananda Nuhi Pratama. I'm from Aquaculture Department, Faculty of Fisheries and Marine, Erlangga University in Banyuwangi. I am delegation of Parasitology Group 1 will explain about morphology, predilection, life cycle, and key of identification of Diplectanum and Gauhatiana. Okay, the first species is Diplectanum. Morphology of Diplectanum. The body is long and length, well marked with haptor. The trapezoid head with 3 pairs of head organs is connected to the cephalic gland. Postpharyngeal glands develop laterally on both sides of the pharynx. 2 pairs of eye spots are in the front of the pharynx. The pharynx has a round shape. Ovites are located in the middle of the body. The ovary is located right in front of the testis by tapering the distal part, partially covering the right instantial cecum. Vitellaria extends from the esophagus to the back of the tip of the instantial sac. The egg is elliptical with a long filament attached to the point end of the polar. Classification of Diplectanum. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Class Monogenea. Subclass Polychoirnea. Ordo Dactylochiridea. Family Diplectanidae. Genus Diplectanum. Species Diplectanum sp. Life cycle of Diplectanum. Diplectanum has a direct life cycle, meaning that it does not involve an intermediate host. Its life cycle starts from eggs released in water, then 2 until 3 days will form ciliated larvae, meaning Onchomyracidium. Onchomyracidium moves freely in the water for 6 until 8 hours, a maximum of 24 hours, then looks for the right host. Onchomyracidium will attach to the gills and develop into adults. Host of Diplectanum. Host of Diplectanum such as Epinephelus colloides, Epinephelus aerolatus, Epinephelus malabaricus, Epinephelus taufina, Epinephelus gigas, and Epinephelus salmoides. Predilection of Diplectanum. Diplectanum is an ectoparasite in fish. Infects body surface, slips, fish mounds, and fish gills. Second species is Gauhatiana. Morphology of Gauhatiana. Gauhatiana have elongated body, swollen at the edge, large subterminal oral sucker, well-developed pharynx, long esophagus, and the acetabulum is almost as large as an oral sucker located mid-anteriorly. An example is catfish. Classification of Gauhatiana. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Subphylum Rhaptitopora. Superclass Neodermata. Class Trematoda. Subclass Digenea. Order Plagiorchida. Suborder Hydiata. Superfamily Plagiorchioidea. Family Macroderoididae. Genus Gauhatiana. Species Gauhatiana lapedevi. Predilection of Gauhatiana is in intestine of the fish. Host of Gauhatiana is Channa striata. A life cycle of Gauhatiana. Gauhatiana are freshwater snails and contain trematoda worms. Freshwater snails act as the first or second intermediate host, and can also be the first and second intermediate host. The life cycle of a Gauchatiana starts from the cocked egg, coming out of definitive host, humans and other mammals. In water, they hatch into Miracidium in the water. Miracidium will enter the appropriate snail as the first intermediate host through its muscular fold. In the body of the snail will develop in the spelen into sporocyst radia, or there is also a parent sporocyst. Then become Cercariae. In schistosomiasis, Cercariae will leave the snail's body and look for definitive hosts and become adult swarms. In other trematodes, such as Fastiola, Cercariae will develop into Mesosecaria, which resists at the second intermediate host. Then it becomes Metasecaria, which, if consumed by the native host, will develop into a worm-shaped adult. Reference: Nurwidayati A. 2015. Variasi genus keong di daerah fokus keong perantara Schistosomiasis di dataran tinggi Lindu, Sulawesi Tengah, Balaba. Jurnal Litbang Pengendalian Penyakit Bersumber Binatang, Banjarnegara, halaman 59-66. Bill A. 2080. Prevalence of Helminthes infection in fishes from Nongyat Reservoir, Moyang District, Nakhon Phanom Province, Burapa Shinch 23, volume 3, halaman 175, 1757 sampai 1769. Santos CP, Timmy CT, and Gibson DI 2002. Squamatum diplectanum SP, monogena diplectinidae dari insang Cion Kuturca Cinidae di perairan Atlantik Barat Daya. Parasitologi sistematik 52, volume 3, halaman 199 sampai 204. Sisih Labu, T.S. Leong, S.Y. Wong, Y.S.N. Wu, and R.W.T. Fu 1999. 3D Plectanid monogeneous from marine finfish, Epinilpelus sp. in the 4S Journal of Helmin. Steiner G. 1962. The Helminthological Society of Washington, a semi-annual journal of research devoted to helminthology and all branches of parasitology. 29, volume 2, halaman 1 sampai 132. Thank you for watching and stay classy. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.